Alright, so this is the start of the vlog. We're just swinging at arbutus right now, waiting for Jordan. See, I don't even know where Jordan is actually. He's at the flea market and we're at arbutus, so yeah, we're just waiting for him. Oh shit, there he is. Just wait, he's behind a sign. As you can see, there's a young Jordan Zilmer stalking his prey. And Tessa's swinging and being annoying. He's coming. Maybe. There he is. A young boy. Jordan's here.
I ripped my shirt.
So now we're gonna go swimming because it's really nice out and the water's nice. So
Is it?
yeah, it's actually I stuck my hands up to wash my hands, but we're gonna go swimming. So we'll catch you when we go swimming.
They're like freaking $8,000 to $15,000 a piece.
Yeah,
Some
so
people have
update.
like 2 or 3 of them. That's insane.
Update. We couldn't find the beach, so now we're going to the car, getting in the car.
I mean, we were on a beach.
Then we're gonna go to the beach.
We're gonna go to a better beach.
better beach.
Get wet.
Yeah, get wet and then jump in Tessa's car without drying off.
Exactly.
So yeah, we saw quite a bit of green cars.
A green Ford Ranger as well.
A green Ford Ranger without a bed. So yeah, check
We
back
had a
in
couple
later.
boards for a bed, but that's about it.
Yeah, so we'll check back in later.
Yeah. Update for you guys.
We just got done swimming.
Yeah, we got wet again.
So
And we got back to the car to get a good old Benjamin, right? That's what that is?
No, that's Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham. Got a nice Abraham.
Yeah, Abraham, big bills only.
Ski. We're gonna go get some nice cold ice cream.
Ice cold ice cream.
Think
Tessa doesn't want to be in the vlog, but here she is.
But yeah, Tessa's in the vlog again. So, yeah. The asphalt we're walking on is kind of hot, which is nice because we're cold for a second.
Yeah.
So,
Jordan's got the good old, this is the patent pending for
Yeah.
Day Squared films.
so many of you guys are just
shit, we gotta walk
outside
on
and you're not gonna
gravel.
wear your shirt. Just take it off, put the part that goes around your head around the top of your head, and then put your hat on, like so, and
That's I'm gonna need a piggyback ride.
like that. So,
I'm gonna need a piggyback ride. And we're gonna have to walk on gravel.
we're gonna walk on some rocks, so our feet are gonna hurt.
That already hurts, dude.
Yep. So, let's just keep going.
Ready?
You're actually
Man up, Jack.
Let's go. Oh, you're really wet. Gross.
Oh. Ow. This hurts. Okay. Almost there. Jack's on the rocks now too. And so now we're here.
Right, so we're in the car and we're going to
Where do I go?
we're going
Do I
to
turn
take
left?
a right. Yeah,
Or right, I meant?
right, but yes.
Tessa is dyslexic. Alright, but anyways, we're going to End Rock and we're gonna go hiking and then Wazee after that. So once we get to End Rock, 25 miles around the corner.
That's not a speed limit, that's a warning.
Whatever.
It's
What?
35.
It is not 35. It's gotta be like 55.
Not
Not here.
Well, right here it's gonna be.
Yeah.
Oh, not yet. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever, just go. Okay, anyways, we're gonna go to End Rock and then Wazee, so yeah, we'll pick up the vlog when we're at End Rock. Right, Jordan?
Damn right.
Dude, no swearing.
I didn't swear.
Oh yeah, I guess. Alright, so we're at End Rock. We're hiking up to the rock.
What?
No, it's not, Tessa, you're
Come
fine.
on, just walk.
So we're hiking up to the rock
I'm gonna fall.
and we'll check back in when we're there.
I'll go first.
Yeah, it took Tessa like 45 minutes.
Actually, it was pretty quick. It's a really nice day.
Yeah.
What else you got to say, Jack?
I don't know. After this, we're gonna go to Wazee. We're gonna stay up here for, I don't know, 15 minutes ish.
Something like that.
Then go back down, go to Wazee for a little bit.
Yeah.
And then, I don't know. Yeah, stay tuned.
We're gonna be doing some jumping into the water and being very cold. Why?
Is this legal?
I'm not talking about a cliff.
Alright, so we are done at End Rock.
Just got done.
We are
Hiking up a
going.
hill.
Yeah, we're going to
Dairy
Wazee. So I don't know what we're doing there. What are we doing at Wazee?
We're gonna go swimming.
Are we? We don't have enough time for that.
Why? If we left at like 3:45.
I guess. So I guess we're going to Wazee and we're gonna go swimming. Tessa, are you getting in the water this time?
Probably not.
Well, I mean, whatever, I guess. But here you go. Just drop it.
Not going back to get it, so.
I guess you'd have to deal with. Alright, so yeah, we'll catch you when we're at
Catch you in the south side.
Wazee. South.
Is that the south?
I don't think so. It's east.
Maybe.
We're going to the east.
Going to the north. Might as well.
Alright, so yeah, we'll catch you back when we're there.
In the east.
Yeah, to Wazee.
Yeah, we just got to Wazee here. It's really windy. The water looks good and windy with waves, and the sand will probably feel nice and hot on our toes and
Are you have a sunburn?
possibly. But we're gonna go get in the water, aren't we, Jack?
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna, yeah. Sorry, got distracted for a second. Yeah. I'm excited.
I'm on my way to an island and I'm popping shit at the pilot. Niggas be broken, be sobbing, but still talking shit like they violent. They say that they honest, talk money, these niggas gon' say that they got it. Getting out with the kid is success and these niggas gon' blame it on talent. They don't wanna see you win.
I'll go jolly finish. Tough. Alright. Ready? We're gonna race. We're going to the water.
I can't even read those letters.
Alright,
We
so
went in the water.
I just got out of the water. It was really cold. I
I won too. I won that.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
I went farther. I was?
Was he?
Yeah. She's biased though. Okay.
Well, there's video proof.
Oh.
We'll find out.
Alright, so yeah, we're heading out. Jordan's going home. So this is probably the end of today's excursions. I don't know if we'll do anything tomorrow or not. Probably.
We probably will.
Probably go fishing tomorrow, honestly.
Yeah.
That might be a different video, but
I'm gonna try to go fishing with my dad tonight at Fort McCoy.
yeah, so tomorrow we might go fishing. So that'll probably be its own video, but yeah, so that's the end of the vlog.
Hope you guys like this. This one wasn't, it was
Kinda.
I just scattered throughout the day. It wasn't too bad actually.
Yeah, we just
It was
did,
fun. It was a good day.
did a lot.
Yeah.
That's basically what a lot of these vlogs are gonna be, just
Random stuff
yeah.
like this.
A lot of good videos coming this week. Well, this
Hopefully.
week we'll have one good video for sure.
And then the next
a
couple
big
weeks,
surprise this week.
fire is gonna.
A big surprise.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. You guys are gonna be psyched. Maybe.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
To me, yeah.
You guys
Can't-
should.
Can't give away too much, but Tessa, which one's yours? No, I'm for real. Which one is yours? Okay.
It's right there. You sped for.
What? Look at the same exact
I
fucking.
was gonna go on that side of the car.
Oh yeah.
Gotta look at the rims.
Anyways, so yeah, that's the end of the vlog. This is us signing out. Jordan's wiping his ass on Tessa's car, but yeah, so we'll see you guys next time.
In the next video,
Peace out. Remember, get yourself a nice cold soap pop.
put some sunblock on so you don't get burned.
Yeah, it's hot out now, but it's also really cold, so. You know.
Grind season.
Anyways, Tessa's
Tessa's
driving
leaving
away,
us.
so
She
we
already
gotta
tried
get
to
in,
run me
so-
over once.
See you guys.